GraphQL Introspection is at the core of any GraphQL implementation. If you're using a server framework to build your GraphQL API, it most likely already supports GraphQL Introspection. You may find GraphQL Introspection is disabled when you publish to production, and this is more of a preference around security. Tools that provide you the schema and documentation for your GraphQL types, any possible queries, subscriptions, mutations, and anything else is pretty much built up using the GraphQL Introspection result. If we open the network tab and we refresh the GraphQL schema here, we can see that it's making a request to get the schema and all of the types, the directives, queries, mutations, and much more. The actual query for the results we've just seen can look a little like this. We've got different fragments, input types, interfaces, whether or not things are deprecated or not, and the reason for being deprecated. All of those are returned to us in the result, which allows us to create this IDE experience. The double underscore refers to the introspection system. We can create a query using double underscore schema or type. Let's learn about our schema and all of the different types we have. We can expand the query to include types, kind, name, description, and any enum values. Here we have an enum and all of the different values and any descriptions they may or may not have. Then for the query type, we can also query all of the different types and fields that are on the query type, and again, the same for mutation. We can see all of the different fields on the mutation object. If any of your fields include arguments, we can also ask for those. We can also get the name of all of our directives and the description and any arguments those take. If we use the double underscore type query and pass the name to the type cart, we can learn about what kind of type this is, as well as the name and any fields that it has, along with the name and description of those fields. There are many other fields to query using the Introspection API, so I encourage you to explore your GraphQL API, providing that introspection is enabled.